If your car is talking, listening, many people does not have a habit of listening to their car talking. You'll be hearing their car talking and they will refuse to stop and listen. You will see some people while driving beside them or past them on the road, you will even be hearing a very disturbing sound, but they will not stop. Don't be a foolish driver that doesn't stop when hearing any sound. Pay attention to every sound on your car, whether knocking or grinding sound, whether from the engine or from the leg, suspension or from the silencer. Just make sure that you pay attention to every small noise and fix it in time before it will turn to a costly fix. This way at Automobile, I drop automobile tips here every day. Kindly like, follow and share this video for more of these tips. As you do so, stay informed and God bless you. I drop an ebook, Flipping Cars and Buying Smart in Nigeria, for anyone that wants to go into car business, assisting car dealers, the one that is struggling with sales in car business. This is a new way of doing car business in Nigeria, and you need to get that book. See you and stay informed as you follow us, and bye.